How to fix Gcash no internet connection problem. If you're facing the issue of no internet connection in Gcash, then the first thing you want to do is unplug your router for 30 seconds if you're on Wi-Fi. If you're on mobile data, you want to toggle on the airplane mode. Now you want to wait for 10 seconds, then simply toggle off airplane mode. Now you want to launch open Gcash and check if your problem is fixed. Next thing you want to do is force close Gcash. For that, launch open your settings. Now select apps. From this list, select Gcash. Now tap on the force stop option, tap on OK. You can also tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Now launch open Gcash and check if your problem is fixed. You can also switch network type. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, hop onto Wi-Fi or a different hotspot. If you're using VPN or proxy, try to disable that and open Gcash. If that doesn't work, you want to update the app. For that, launch open Play Store, then tap on the update option. You can also reinstall the application. For that, tap on uninstall. Once you have uninstalled the app, you again want to reinstall that, and that should fix the problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.